Hello students, today we will discuss about the steps taking place in the sexually reproducing organism before the formation of an offspring, and the steps are pre-fertilization events, fertilization and post-fertilization event. Today we will discuss about the pre-fertilization event only. Pre-fertilization event. We can write fertilization event. It involves basically two processes: gametogenesis and gamete transfer. Gametogenesis is the process of formation of gametes. In some organisms, the gametes are of same shape and size. When the gametes are of same shape and size, they are termed as isogametes. They are similar. When they are different in shape and size, then they are termed as heterogametes. In heterogametes, they may be termed as antherozoid or sperm for the male, egg or ovum for the female. Isogameted, heterogametes, gametes when they are similar, morphologically similar, then they are isogametes. When they are morphologically different, similar in different shape and size, then they are heterogametes. In some of the cases, like algae, fungi, Monera, in Monera, fungi and algae, the gametes are isogametes, while in case of pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms, the gametes are in these two. The parental body is haploid. Here the parental body is diploid. Now haploidy level, haploid is a single set of chromosome, diploid is the paired set of chromosome. So diploid set of chromosome, from the haploid parent, the gametes are produced by mitotic division. From a diploid parent, gametes are produced by meiotic division. And this meiotic division takes place in the specialized cells termed as meiocytes. Meiocytes, when undergo the meiotic division, they form the gametes. The meiocytes are diploid in number, while gametes are haploid in number. Gametes, we are using the term gametes for antherozoids, sperm, egg or ova. So when the parent is haploid, the gametes are produced by mitotic division. When the parents are diploid, the gametes are produced by meiotic division. This is all about the process of formation of gamete. Formation of gamete is termed as gametogenesis, and this it is different in different cases. Next topic is gamete transfer. Moment the gametes are formed, they have to be transferred from the male to the female, or both has to be brought physically closer. In some cases, like in some cases like algae, bryophytes and pteridophytes, the gametes are transferred by the medium of water. Water is the medium of transfer of gametes in these cases, and either they must be brought physically closer, or the gametes are transferred by water as a medium. In seed plants, pollen grains are produced in the anthers, and from the anther, these pollen grains has to be transferred to the stigma. Anther to stigma of the female. Pollen grains has to be transferred from anther to stigma of the female. From the stigma, it reaches the ovule where it fuses with the egg cell. So this is in case of seed plants. For the transfer of anther to the stigma, it requires some pollinating agents, and the pollinating agent may be air. Then the pollination is termed as anemophily. They may be insects. The pollination is entomophily. Bats, chiropterophily. Through water may be the medium, and it is termed as hydrophily. Then for the seed plants, in some of the sponges and some of the marine forms, the male is motile while the female is stationary. For this, they are transferred to the female by water as a medium. Since this is a marine form, so the sperms are transferred through the water medium to the female. Then in case of some higher organisms, they have special organs called copulatory organs for transferring sperms to the female reproductive tract. And the process is termed as copulation. So this is the pre-fertilization event. It involves two processes: gametogenesis, gamete transfer. Gametogenesis is the formation of gamete from the haploid parent. By mitotic division, haploid gametes are produced from the diploid parent. By meiotic diploid parent, they are having specialized cells for forming gametes, and these specialized cells are termed as meiocytes. These meiocytes undergo reductional division, that is the meiotic division. After reductional division, they form gametes which are haploid. After the formation of gamete, then the case is gamete transfer. Then the male and female, because this is for the sexually reproducing organism, the male and female are required to come to be physically closer to each other. If this is not possible, then the gametes are transferred by water, air, or any other means. In case of plants, like smaller plants or the smaller organisms like algae, pteridophytes, bryophytes, water is a medium for the gamete transfer. In the seed plants, anthers are from the anther, pollen grains are transferred to the stigma by air, insects, water, or bat. And the terms used is anemophily, entomophily, chiropterophily, hydrophily. Then in case of sponges, water is the medium for transfer of sperms to the female. Then in higher organisms, special organs are there, copulatory organs for ejecting sperms into the female reproductive tract, and the process is termed as copulation. One thing that we have skipped in this process is that during the transformation or the gamete transfer in case of sexually reproducing organism, that male gametes, if they are transferred by water, air or the other mediums, then there might be the chances of loss of the anthers or sperms or the male gametes to fulfill this, or for this loss. They are produced in thousands of numbers. The male gametes are produced in thousands of number, and just because of the loss during the transfer of male gametes to the female by water, air or other medium. This is all about the pre-fertilization event. Next topic we will discuss about fertilization and the post-fertilization event in the next sessions. Thank you.